Hi, I'm John Trischler from SPVparts.com, and today I've got an exciting new product to show you for your 2021 Plus Gen 3 Raptor. So for those of you that got the new model or are getting the new model, the Gen 3 Raptor, if you get the 801A package, you're going to get the optional rigid fog lights. Now, Ford originally, at least from the inside information that we had, they were going to do two different lights. They were going to do a DOT approved and then an off-road light. But to the surprise of many people, they actually ended up doing two DOT approved lights, and they just put a cover on the one. Well, the DOT approved fog lights don't really put out the power and the output that most people would expect when they get their new Raptor. For those of you that have been buying lights for your Raptors and your previous gen Raptors, you know you want as much light as you can get. So we've come up with a solution for those who want to keep the factory housing and improve their light output. And just like this, now we have replaced both of our lights with our Baja Designs lights. All right, there's with our fog switch on. And there's with our additional auxiliary switch on. All right, so here we are. We're on the driver's side. The Baja Designs lights, the S2 lights are on the driver's side. You can see those lit up there. We're going to kind of aim at the ground here. You can get a better perspective of the coverage and the angle from outside the truck. And once again, you can see that window right there. That's the rectangular window that the DOT lights are projecting for some odd reason. I don't know why they thought that the beam angle would be best right there, but evidently that was what Ford thought would make the most sense. But you can see already the coverage is a lot better. The DOT ones, I mean, obviously put out a okay amount of light right there in that one spot, but it's just not really a usable spot. I'm gonna go here to the other side, and you can kind of see as well. Now we're going to block off the passenger side. This is the passenger side where this is the stock fogs that we're blocking. So these are the upgraded off-road lights. And now when we block these off, you'll see again, all you can see is that one little window. Whereas the other Baja Designs S2 Pro lights are going to give you a whole lot more usable coverage to actually see a wide area when you're moving down the road. So obviously a noticeable upgrade. And here in the front of the truck, you can also see there is a big difference in light output with the starburst here on the right-hand side. Which are the Baja Designs S2 lights. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at SPVparts.com for this and many other light kits and accessories for your off-road vehicles.